When creating your locations, there are three ways which you can start. You can start by either coming to the ribbons up here, selecting Add, and going to Location. You can also start in the folder tree here by going to the Locations folder, or you can start in these life cycles here by clicking the green and white plus button and going down to Location here. Now, to begin, you can start by pre-populating all of the addresses for each of your locations. Just select Address from the submenu and fill in the appropriate information here. Once you have the address information filled out, just click Save, and now you'll see that the new address has been added into the database. To create more addresses, just click New and then fill out the appropriate information and save it. Next, you can also start by pre-populating all the types of locations you have. To do that, just click on the Location Type submenu. And in here, what you can do is either activate a barcode generator that'll generate sequential barcodes, or you may want to use an abbreviated method that's a little easier to recognize. Once you have the location type code and the location type name, click Save, and now you can see that that has been added into the database. And again, for additional location types, just click New and then follow the same process. Finally, you can add all of your locations by coming here, selecting Location from the submenu. And again, you can either generate a sequential barcode number for each location, or you can use the abbreviated method that we showed earlier. Once you have the location code and the location name here, then you'll need to select the location type. Now there are three types that are listed in the application when you purchase it, which will be pallet, moving, which will let you log moving locations such as a car, and grab the make, the model, the color, the VIN, the license plate, etc. Or a stationary location, which will let you grab information such as building, the room it's in, what floor it's on, etc. Next, you'll need to select the address for this location. You can choose from the drop-down menu here, or if we don't see it in the drop-down, just click the green plus sign, and now we can add the additional address. Once you have the address filled out, just click Save, and now that address has been listed here, and as well, it's available at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Once you have everything here, just click Save, and now the new location has been added down here into the database. And again, for additional locations, just click New, follow the same procedure, and save the information. Now, the next bit of information I'm going to go over is really for administrators, so if you're a standard day-to-day user, this may not apply to you. Now, as an administrator, you may find that you need to create more data capture fields than what are currently listed. To do this, what you'll need to do is first log in as an administrator. Once you're logged in as an administrator, you can now see all of the user-defined fields that are available. So let's take this UD text1 field and let's rename this for something else. To do that, we'll come down here to the admin folder and select field control, or we can come up to the admin ribbon and select field control from there. So now we're going to look for the UD text1 field in the current text, and we're going to look for that in the location form. So we click search, and now we can see that field here, so we'll click edit, and here's where we can rename that field. Once you have the new field name listed, then you can decide which groups can view or edit this field. Go ahead and apply the appropriate permissions, and once you're done, click Save. Go ahead and say yes, you want to change this record. And now we can see that the UD text1 field has been changed to cabinet number. Once the field name has been changed, the standard day-to-day user can log in, come here to the location form, select stationary, and now we can see the cabinet number is available, and now we can log the appropriate information there.